This is my low carb enchilada burritos mix. I'm cooking up some chorizo and some hamburger. So it was 1 pound of chorizo and 1 pound of hamburger. Well, I just done cooking my 1 pound of hamburger and my 1 pound of chorizo, mixed it all together, and that cooked for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna just let it cool for a bit, and then we'll get the rest of the mixture going. Okay, so I put the meat mixture in a bowl, and I sprinkled some minced onions. Because onions have a lot of carbs, I just put a little minced onions in it. To that, I added 3/4 of a cup of salsa, 1 cup of cheese, shredded. I'm using a Mexican 4-cheese blend. Some green chilies. Last but not least, 3/4 cup of sour cream. I'll mix that all together, and then we'll be ready to start stuffing our burritos. I'm using these lamb burritos carb counter for low carb tortillas. They only have about 5 net carbs. And here's my meat mixture all ready to go. And I lay out all of those out there, and I'm going to put like a ice cream scoop on each, and then I'll roll them up, and I'm going to put them in a pan. Okay, so I divvied it up using an ice cream scoop, and I got, like I said, the recipe calls for 12, so I got them all laid out. I'll be rolling these up, and I'll be putting them in a pan, and then I'll get you the rest of the recipe. Okay, so I put 1 can of tomato sauce over these, and then I'm going to put a cup of cheese, and then it's going to bake at 375 for about 25 minutes. Okay, so I'm ready to put it in the oven. When it comes out, I will then set a plate and show you everything, how good it is. Okay, so I just took it out of the oven, and it baked for 20 minutes. And I'm letting this cool, and I'm going to make a side real quick, and I'm making cauliflower Mexican rice. So for the cauliflower rice, I put 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in this pan, got that melted, and then I put some frozen cauliflower rice in here. I'm going to cook that up first, and then I'll show you the rest. So I added 1/4 cup of salsa to it, and a little bit of Tony Chachere's original Creole seasoning just to season up, and then I'll show you my meal. Okay, so there's my meal. Mexican cauliflower rice with a little bit of salsa in it, and there's the burrito. And you know, when you're making casseroles, the first one's always difficult to get out. So I'm gonna eat.